Shatter, we the shatter boss. The boy run and dash with the taros.
Shatter boss, the boy run and dash with him taros. Povat. Welcome to the channel. Finally, the moment most of us did wait for. One of the most lyrical and intelligent artists, teacher, right hand, the man we have the futuristic flow 10 years ago, Romy Anderson, aka Blak Ryno. So people, if you never know, Vybz Kartel and Popcaan, video called Blak Ryno. Me say all tears nearly fall out of my eye when me see this. Remember say, Blak Ryno and Popcaan, them no deal since them sell we out. You know, say a long time that ago. Furthermore, Blak Ryno has been at his lowest since. Now say him now do some little gigs here and there, you know, but not enough for them on a bigger scale. So we not really see him. So on the Fix podcast with Vybz Kartel, they ask a question. What's the relationship between him and Blak Ryno? Vybz Kartel response was, there is no problem between us, you know.
But as I say, me no problem with the Ryno dog. Remember now, if I were there when Popcaan forward and me and him link up on a AC and him give me the watch and thing and Madsus to talk about after me say, what is under my nose? Yeah, Madsus and nose.
Madsus should have known better. He should have known better. God no. Sus, you should have known better.
Yes. And him go up on internet and chat one bag of fuck with and he delete it. Nobody not pray right now.
Yeah.
Pray for what? You
but then what was the contention though? Because I feel like there was this whole thing between
the truth from them time before me get locked up with the whole thing, man, and him left and that under the song, but yeah.
Yeah.
And yeah, but what it is what it is.
Yeah.
You not pray that. He go on and matter of fact, nobody now look at him a kill up himself and do the most. Nobody now have nothing against her. Right, remember? A week bring you to fame and stardom.
Which he acknowledges.
Him have to acknowledge. Just about no matter what me and Killer have me.
So I love that, man. I lie. Even Not Nice and Jah Vinci pull up to the Freedom Street rehearsal.
You know the thing, the whole journal. Know that Not Nice, Shiva. Yo. You can think about your friend, but you're going with that.
So it's a good look overall, people. Well, me know say Blak Ryno would have expressed say if Kartel call him on the Freedom Street without hesitation, he would have go. But the only problem is he can't travel. So the boss not really sort out yet. So I guess, you know, as soon as him do that, he can link up back with the Gaza. But me I tell you say, yo, it's a good look overall for all Gaza fans. The assembly of the Gaza Empire. Alright people, so tell me what you think about that. Ryno link up with Kartel them. Video call. The rift between him and Popcaan look like it a go quash and everything a go look good now. You see it's a Ryno can start get some hit songs, some hit collabs and go back out there on the world stage and take over back dancehall. Cause you know how you think go.